Hello, dear students. Good morning. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in online geometry class. Hope you all might have finished the assignment given to you last time. Today, we are going to continue the same lesson of geometry, lesson number 2, shapes and angles. Children, please sit with your textbooks. Children, last time we made a time clock and learned how to see time. Today we are going to make a degree clock. A degree clock is used to measure an angle. Children, you know that length is measured in meters, kilometers, weight is measured in grams, kilograms, liquid is measured in liters, kiloliters. In the same way, an angle is always measured in degrees. A degree clock is shown in your textbook on page 31. So let's start to make a degree clock.
Children, take a blank paper like this and cut circle from it like this. Then fold it and divide the circle into two halves and press it. Now again fold the paper like this and press it. You will get 1/4 part of the circle. Now fold in such a way that we get 3 equal parts. So fold one fold like this, second fold like this and press it. Now open it. We will get 3 equal parts. 1, 2 and 3 equal parts. Now still open it. Now we will get 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now again open it. Now we will get 12 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Draw lines with the sketch pen on the 12 folds. On this 12 folds and then color it. So that we have this sort of clock. Now from the center of the circle, draw one hand in black color like this. Now make a red hand with a thick paper like this. Red hand with a thick paper and fix it to the center with a drawing pin. So I will fix it with a drawing pin to the center of the circle like this. So that it can move freely. See, it can move everywhere freely like this. Now I will write 0 degrees here. 0 degrees on the black hand. Here we will write 90 degrees. Since it forms a right angle. And a right angle is of 90 degrees. So I will write here 90 degrees. This right angle is divided into 3 equal parts. 1, 2 and 3. 3 equal parts. So each part makes an angle of 30 degrees. So this is 30 degrees. So I'll write here 30 degrees. Thirty plus this 30 makes 60 degrees. So I'll write here 60 degrees. 60 plus this 30 makes 90 degrees. Now 90 degrees plus this 30 degrees makes 120 degrees. So I'll write here 120 degrees. 120 degrees plus this 30 degrees makes 150 degrees. So I'll write here 150 degrees. 150 degrees plus this 30 degrees makes 180 degrees. So let 180 degrees here. Now this whole angle is a right angle. This whole angle is a right angle. Now you know children, half of 90 degrees is 45 degrees and right angle measures 90 degrees. So half of this is 45. I'll mark here and write 45 degrees. So this is 45 degrees. Half of 90 degrees. Now two right angles like this. This one and this one makes 180 degrees. So this is a right angle till here and this is a right angle. This both makes 180 degrees. So I have written 180 degrees here. So our degree clock is ready. Now I will take a pencil box or a compass box and measure the angle. I will put this side on 0 degrees and this side I'll put it here. See, like this. Children, now you can see that this angle is of 90 degrees or it is a right angle. Similarly, in the compass box or pencil box, all 4 angles are of 90 degrees. They are right angles. Similarly, if we measure the 4 angles of this color box, we will see that each angle is of 90 degrees, that is a right angle. So I'll put this side on 0 degrees and this side I'll put it here. See, 90 degrees. So all 4 angles will be of 90 degrees if you measure like this. In our geometry box, we have 2 set square like this. A set square is triangle in shape. So it has 3 sides and 3 angles. 3 sides and 3 angles. 3 sides and 3 angles. Now we will measure all the 3 angles of both the set squares. Now we will measure this angle. So I'll keep this side on 0 degrees like this. Move this. So you can, children, you can see this angle is of 45 degrees. Now I'll measure this angle. So one end I will put here on 0 degrees like this. Now children, you can see this angle is of 90 degrees. Now I will measure this angle. So now children, you can see that this angle is of 45 degrees. Now in the same way, I will measure angles of this set square. First, I will be measuring this angle. So I am putting this side on 0 degrees. like this. So you can see in this set square, this angle is of 60 degrees. Now I will measure this angle. So put this side on 0 degrees, and children, you can see now that our this angle is of 30 degrees. Now we will find this angle. So I'll put this side on 0 degrees. Now children, can you see that this angle measures 90 degrees? So in a set square, this angle is of 60 degrees, this is of 30 degrees, and this is of 90 degrees. Similarly, in this set square, as we measured earlier, this is of 45 degrees, 45 and 90 degrees.
Now we will do some exercise based on degree clock. Page 31. The measure of a right angle is 90 degrees. Half of a right angle is half of 90 degrees is 45 degrees. 1/3 of a right angle is 1/3 of 90 degrees is 30 degrees. 2 times a right angle is 2 multiplied by 90 degrees is 180 degrees. Children, some basic angles are shown here: 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. Now children, open page 32. Angles in a paper aeroplane. Children, have you seen an aeroplane? It flies high in the sky. Have you travelled in an aeroplane? Travelling in an aeroplane is very exciting. Now we are going to make an aeroplane with a square sheet of paper.
Now we are going to make an aeroplane with a square sheet of paper. First, fold the paper in half like this. Open it. Then fold the corners till the center. Your paper will look like this. Now fold this triangle such that the top of the triangle touches the bottom line. Fold it like this. Then fold the two top corners in this way. Now your paper will look like this. Turn this paper back side and fold it in half. Now to make the wings of an aeroplane, fold this edge. This edge on this edge. Turn it and do the same on the other side as well. This edge on this edge. Your plane is ready to fly. Children, we are supposed to now find the angles of 45 degrees and 90 degrees in this plane. So, for this, we have to open our plane. So sad to open the plane. Now, we will mark the angles. So, this is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. This one 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Same here also. This one 45 degrees. This one 45 degrees. 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Now this is of 90 degrees. 90 degrees. 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Even this is of 90 degrees.
Thank you. Hope to meet you in next session now.